In this video, I'll show you how to use Grok AI for students in 2026. First, open Grok AI on your computer and log in to your account. Once you reach the main chat interface, you can start using Grok as an AI assistant for studying, research, writing, brainstorming, and learning new topics. One useful way to use Grok as a student is for understanding difficult subjects. If you are struggling with a topic, simply type your question into the chat and ask Grok to explain it in simple language. You can also ask Grok to explain a complicated concept step by step. For example, instead of asking for only the final answer to a math problem, ask Grok to explain the method and show you how to solve similar problems. Grok can also help you summarize study materials. If file upload is available for your account, you can upload a supported document and ask Grok to summarize the important points, create a study guide, or explain specific sections. Another useful feature is brainstorming. You can ask Grok to generate ideas for assignments, presentations, projects, or research topics. You can then choose the ideas that are most useful and develop them yourself. For writing tasks, Grok can help you improve grammar, organize your ideas, rewrite unclear sentences, or create an outline for an essay or presentation. However, make sure you follow your school or university's rules about using AI for assignments. You can also use Grok to create practice questions. Ask it to generate quizzes, multiple-choice questions, flashcards, or revision exercises based on a particular topic. Remember that AI can sometimes provide incorrect or incomplete information. For important academic work, always verify facts using your textbooks, teachers, academic sources, or other reliable references. And that's how students can use Grok AI as a helpful learning assistant in 2026.